सुपर किड्स और सुपर मॉम्स के बीच में बहुत बड़ा कंपटीशन चल रहा था और मुझे पता नहीं था व्हाट टू एक्सपेक्ट. मुझे लग रहा था कि किड्स जो होंगे वो बहुत ही बेहतर होंगे सुपर मॉम्स से, बिकॉज किड्स हैं, दे आर मोर एनर्जेटिक एंड ऑल, बट द सुपर मॉम्स आर ऑल्सो फैंटास्टिक. और हमारी फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है आर राजकुमार 6 दिसंबर को, तो उसका जो पहला गाना है जो लॉन्च होने वाला है जिसका नाम है गंदी बात, वो उसका हम लोगों ने प्रमोशन किया और उसमें प्रभु सर, मैं, सोनाक्षी, हम तीनों नाचे भी और बहुत मज़ा आया. वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन इनसाइड.
The song, it's a very dirty song, gandhi song, but it's a super peppy number. It's Shahid has danced extremely well in the song. That is something that you should look forward to. I think only Prabhu sir could have gotten this side of him out, and he has very well. I think when you watch it, you know exactly what I'm talking about.
Actually, first time I'm doing with Preetham, music director, and it was great working with him. And next also first time I'm doing with Shahid. We all know Shahid is actually already a tremendous dancer. That's what we used him. And only thing is when he was dancing, he got, I mean, before dance only he got hurt, I think.
Yeah, when we were doing action.
Action. He got hurt, badly hurt because the toe was gone. But still, he didn't show the pain. But it's in the song, in the making, you can see. But he didn't never showed the pain. Full on dance is there. Because I want to make him dance. Because always you have seen him in the discotheque only.
I honestly used to think I'm a decent dancer till I was choreographed by Prabhu sir. And I remember we were doing a lot of action, and he told me before this film started, he smiled and he looked at me and said, Shahid, you'll be very tired after this film. Take a long holiday. And I didn't take him very seriously, but after that, when we were shooting the film, I realized how taxing it's going to be. There's a lot of action in the film and there's a lot of dance in the film, and he really literally almost every part of my body was injured while I was doing the dancing. Sir, it's true, sir. It's true, sir. I remember once I had very high fever, so I was trying to cancel rehearsals one day because I had really high fever, and we were shooting in 2 days, and so I called him. I said, Prabhu sir, I'm really not well today. Can I please take a break today? Tomorrow I'll rehearse. Yeah, no problem. Just come for half an hour. So I reached the rehearsal hall for half an hour, and then he made me rehearse for 5 hours after that. But I must say that it's the way that Prabhu sir choreographs and the way that he dances. Being a dancer, I can say it's amazing. I would say I'm a fan, and I really think that I'm lucky to be choreographed by him. He really is a genius in the true sense, and I really mean this from the bottom of my heart. The attention to detail that he pays in dancing, the style of dance that he has, the way he conceives things is so original and so exciting. So I'm very excited with what we've done in this film, in the dancing space, in the action space, and I would say pretty much in the whole film.